everybody. So I've shown you what the inside of the boat looks like at daytime. I've shown you all that. So now it's getting dark. Let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like at nighttime with all the different lights and things that we have going on this boat. So we'll start out, I'll show you what the switches look like and what all of that looks like up in the podium and the control area, and then we'll go ahead and look at the rest of the boat and how the lights and everything there works. Okay, so over here I have my control area. As you saw before, these switches on the left side of the steering wheel, this is like all the control related stuff. So that's where my aerator, my bilge pump, and my 12-volt outlets and that is. Then all these guys here on the right, this is all the lighting on the boat. So we'll start off with this guy over here. So when that turns on, that is our light bar. And that's this light bar over here on the side. As you can see, it is plenty bright, and what that's going to do is that's going to light up the dock if you need a light up on that side where you're coming into dock at night. And we'll go ahead and we'll turn on the deck lights. So you can see around the rim of the boat, we have lights going all the way around. I'll hop in and show you guys what those look like a little bit better now. And we'll go ahead and we'll turn on the rear lights. So these guys over here, I've got on each side of the boat spotlight that's basically shooting off at 45, so that'll shine off. This gives you good light in nighttime if you need to see anything going on behind the boat. So I have one on either side. I'll walk around and show that properly in a second. And then we got the spotlights up front, which there's two spotlights up front. Turn that on. Super useful for when you need to get the boat on a trailer at nighttime. Then lastly, these are the navigation lights, which also turn on everything here by the instrument cluster. So all the gauges light up, that all lights up nicely when you hit that navigation light. And also we have our horn button over there, lights up really nice. So what I'll do now is I'll walk around, I'll show you the different things. So on this side, this is where we have that dark light. So that's going to light everything up when I'm coming into the dark at night. Then we'll head off to the front. You can see we have the two spotlights that are shining pretty bright there. But you can also see I got the red and the green navigation lights. So we'll go down a little lower, hopefully stay out of the spotlights. But I got the red and green navigation light switch. So that's just when I'm running at night. Those guys are normally going to be on and not the spotlights. Spotlights I'm only going to use if I'm dark, you know, in like a short cove type area, if I need to light some stuff up. Make our way around the boat. Again, you can see those deck lights super well. Come around to this side. We got that other spotlight shining out. And then underneath that spotlight, you can see here from the side angle. Let me actually switch around, come this way. All that at the back, those are the white navigation lights. This is just, you're out there, it's getting dark, flick that on. You've at least got white lights, even though these aren't elevated, they're just at that deck level. I've at least got those on. Gives me a moment to just pull out my pole light, which sits in the back corner, pop that in, and then I'm all lit up for the nighttime, so the boat's good to go. Okay, let me hop in and then I'll show you the stuff on the inside. Okay, so I'm on the inside of the boat now. Let me just turn all of these off, but you can see got all the switches lit up nicely. So what I'll do now is I'll turn everything off except for our navigation lights and our deck lights. So you can see over here we have the deck lights that light up really well. Make sure you can see everything at night on your deck, and these guys light up all the way around the boat. So we've got front and back on those. Super useful for nighttime. What's also really cool about the way that I've done these deck lights is that I can control them and I can change the color of them, which is again super useful if we got those like we got the deck lights going and if there's a lot of bugs or something, I can actually go ahead and change the color of that. So I've got this app on my phone and I can go across. You see how the deck lights change to the color that I pick on the app. So again, that's super useful for if there's bugs or anything at nighttime, that I'm able to go ahead and change those colors of the deck lights. So if I don't want that pure white, I can change it to green or something else that'll be less attractive for the bugs. Then the really cool part about all of this is inside each and every compartment, as I showed you, we have those lights. So when you pop this open, it lights up the inside of the compartment so you can see what you need to do there. It's like, yeah, you can see inside that compartment. Go ahead and show you guys what that looks like on the rest of the boat. Got the middle compartment, that's all nicely lit up. Those lights, and all of these turn off when these lids are closed. So close that up and that light's going to go off. Got the main tackle compartment, everything in there is nicely lit up. So if I need to get to any of my tackle, anything like that at night, super easy, I can see everything I need to get to. We'll just make our way around and show you the others. Here's the rod box, super nicely lit up, as you can see there. You can see everything you need over there. Close this guy up. We'll come here to the back. It's nighttime, you catch a fish, you need to put it in the live well, or you get to wherever you're going and you need to open up that live well and sort out your fish. Well, got lights in the live well, so I can see everything I need to over there. Nighttime, we have these two side compartments, everything there lit up, again the same way the rest of the things in the boat go. Same deal for this side of the boat. Pop that open, I can see everything that I'm doing with those lights. Now most importantly is with the fuel tank and the battery compartment. So if anything goes wrong, anything at nighttime that I need to work in here, you can see all of this is nicely lit up, so it's super easy to see everything that I need to do. Again, got all these shocks, got the sensors, so useful that I can see everything that I need to inside these compartments. Yeah, ahead and close that up. And then lastly but not least is under the seats, and we have lights under the seats as well. So if I need to get any of the life jackets or my toolbox, any of that stuff, this whole compartment is also lit up, so it's super useful for any of that nighttime fishing or when I'm out on the boat. And as I said previously, got those 12-volt plugs up front and in the back, so anything that I need to do 12-volt wise, I need to plug extra light in, or if I need to like drop the lights in to go crappie fishing, anything like that, I have those plugs up there. And I also have the 12-volt plugs up here by the instrument, so I can charge phones and I can plug anything in there with the same car charger type deal. Now you guys have seen what I have going on with my boat. This is the nighttime deal. Everything's super useful. I really wanted this to be the most useful thing that I could do, have all the lights, have everything that I could see nicely at nighttime. And it's taken me a long time to get all this done, but I finally have it done, and now it's coming to the summertime where I can really go out and enjoy fishing on the boat. I've already been out a couple of times and it is a whole lot of fun, so there will be more videos coming. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. If you guys like what you see here, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm really trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, so go ahead, subscribe, like the videos, and turn on those notifications. Stay tuned so you know whenever I post something else, and hopefully there's good content that everybody enjoys and that we can all enjoy together. So thank you so much, I appreciate it. See you next time.